Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do the Double Circle Pretzel. As promised, if you can do a circle pretzel and if you can do a double pretzel, you're going to be in a good position to learn a double circle pretzel. If you don't know either of those moves, I recommend heading off, check out the appropriate videos from our collection and learn a circle pretzel and a double pretzel or continuous pretzel, and you'll be ready to go. It looks, when you put it together, like this. 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. So first off, you need to be able to do a circle pretzel. So your normal circle pretzel goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now in a double pretzel you get 1, 2, 3, and at this point, guys, you go 4 and you need to put the join in 5 to go back into the pretzel again. So you use that moment of the join on count 5, except you do it in a circle pretzel. So what happens is we go back 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's count 5. We do what we would do in a double pretzel. We drop the right, we raise the left, the guy gets all the way around, and now we carry on as if we're in a circle pretzel, except this time, guys, instead of continuing to face the first direction, we do the exact opposite and face the other way. So now we just finish off as a circle pretzel, left over the lady, right over the lady, right over the guy, left over the lady, and back. So in a normal circle pretzel, the guy faces behind him for most of the move from his starting position, and then he only goes back to facing the direction he was at the beginning on the very last count. This time we've got to do that until count 5, flip round, and then do the exact opposite and face the direction we were at the start, and then turn to face the opposite direction on the last count. Okay, so let's try to count nice and slow. Here we go. 5, a 6, a double circle pretzel. We go offer. Left over the lady, right over the lady, right over the guy. Guy goes round, left over the lady, right over the lady, right over the guy, left over the lady, and back. And that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive Clip, and as always, if you have a question you can always pop it in the comments and we will endeavour to either answer it in a questions video, or if it's about a move, we'll put the move video together if we can. So like, subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you next time. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.